Hey there, whiskey lovers. Today, I'm diving into 5 amazing whiskey cocktails that are super easy to make and packed with history. Whether you're in the US, UK, or India, these drinks will level up your home bartending game. Let's get shaking. First up, the classic, the old-fashioned. This one's been around since the 1800s, and it's as simple as it gets. Just whiskey, sugar, bitters, and water. People used to ask for their drinks made the old-fashioned way, and the name stuck. So we'll start by muddling a sugar cube with a few dashes of bitters in a glass. Now, add a big ice cube. Why a big cube? It melts slower, keeping the drink colder for longer. Then, pour in about 60 milliliters of your favorite bourbon or rye. Stir it gently for about 30 seconds. Finally, grab an orange peel and express the oils over the drink. That's what gives it that amazing aroma. Drop it right in. It's smooth, balanced, and perfect for sipping, a classic that never goes out of style. Next up, the whiskey sour. Tangy, refreshing, and a real crowd pleaser. This one's been around since 1862, and back in the day, sailors used citrus to avoid scurvy. Mixing it with whiskey was a lot more fun. Start by adding about 60 milliliters of whiskey into a shaker. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. That's about 22 milliliters. We're also going to add 15 milliliters of simple syrup. It's just sugar dissolved in water, so no worries there. Now, if you want a frothy top, you can add egg white. Give it a dry shake first without ice to really get the froth going. Then add ice and shake it all up for 15-20 seconds. Strain it into a glass with fresh ice and finish it off with a cherry and a lemon wheel. It's the perfect mix of sweet and sour, and whether you're in New York, London, or Mumbai, you can't go wrong with this one. Now, let's go for something smooth and sophisticated, the Manhattan. This one was created in the 1870s at the Manhattan Club in New York, and it's been a favorite ever since. Start by adding about 60 milliliters of rye whiskey into a mixing glass. Then, pour in 30 milliliters of sweet vermouth and a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters. Add some ice and stir it for 30-45 seconds. Once it's chilled, strain it into a coupe glass and finish with a cherry. It's rich, elegant, and perfect for any occasion. Definitely one for the whiskey connoisseurs out there. For those who like bold flavors, the Boulevardier is your drink. It's basically a whiskey version of a Negroni, created by an American in Paris back in the 1920s. We'll start by pouring 45 milliliters of your favorite whiskey into a mixing glass. Then, add 30 milliliters of Campari and 30 milliliters of sweet vermouth. Add ice and stir until it's nice and cold. Once it's chilled, strain it into a glass with fresh ice and garnish with an orange twist. For an extra burst of flavor, express the oils from the peel over the drink. It's bold, a little bitter, and absolutely delicious. A perfect drink for fans of complex flavors. And finally, for a cozy treat, let's make an Irish coffee. This warm and inviting drink was invented in the 1940s in Ireland, designed to keep travelers warm on chilly nights. Start by adding about 45 milliliters of Irish whiskey to a heat-proof glass. Then stir in about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now, pour in 120 milliliters of hot coffee and give it a good stir. Finally, top it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for winding down at the end of the day. And there you have it. 5 amazing whiskey cocktails, each with its own unique twist. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drink recipe. Cheers!